Solving numerical problems in physics requires a combination of understanding fundamental principles, applying relevant equations, and practicing problem-solving techniques. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you solve numerical problems in physics effectively. Understand the problem. Read the problem carefully and make sure you understand what is being asked. Identify the known quantities and what you need to find. Identify relevant concepts and equations. Determine which physics principles and equations are relevant to the problem. This might involve concepts from mechanics, thermodynamics, electromagnetism, optics, etc. Organize given information. List all the given information, including numerical values and units. Make sure to convert units if necessary to ensure consistency. Plan your solution. Decide on the approach you will use to solve the problem. This might involve rearranging equations, applying specific formulas, or breaking down the problem into smaller steps. Perform calculations. Use the relevant equations to calculate the unknown quantity. Be sure to show all your work, including units, and pay attention to significant figures. Check your answer. Review your solution to ensure it makes sense and is reasonable. Check for mathematical errors and verify that your answer has the correct units and magnitude. Practice regularly. Like any skill, solving physics problems requires practice. Work on a variety of problems covering different topics to improve your problem-solving abilities. Seek help when needed. If you're struggling with a particular concept or problem, don't hesitate to seek help from your teacher, classmates, or online resources. Sometimes, discussing a problem with others can provide new insights and approaches. Use physics tools and software. Utilize tools such as calculators, physics simulation software, and online resources to aid in problem-solving and visualization. Review and reflect. After solving a problem, take some time to review your solution and reflect on what you've learned. Identify any mistakes or areas where you can improve, and use this feedback to enhance your skills for future problems. By following these steps and practicing regularly, you can develop confidence and proficiency in solving numerical problems in physics. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow the channel and recommend it to your friends.